Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a beautiful sunset scene of Cairo, Egypt. This painting will be a cityscape of Old Cairo with its iconic architecture, bustling streets and the Nile River in the background. So we will start with the sky. I'm using shades of red, yellow and white to create a warm glowing sunset. Notice how the yellow blends into the red, giving it a soft golden background color. This will set the mood for our painting. So now let's add the background in the distance. You can see small pyramids like structures and the gentle curves of the Nile River. These elements give the painting depth and the sense of place. So next we will bring Old Cairo to life. I am painting these iconic buildings, mosques and houses that line the street. Notice the interactive details on the Islamic-style architectures, the domes, the arches and the windows. Each building tells a story of the historic city. Now let's add the streets. I am painting date trees lining the roads and giving the scene a lush, vibrant feel. The streets are bustling with life and the streets and the touch of nature to the urban landscape. There is a lots of trees in the city. So I am adding a lots of different kind of buildings based on the Islamic architectures and different kind of tones, as you can see, showing the lighting effect and the prominent mosque in the center of the city. To finish, I am adding highlights to the building and trees to make them pop. This step really brings the painting together, adding depth and dimensions. And here it is, the complete painting of sunset in Old Cairo.